Heliostat.
Get ready to witness the pinnacle of innovation on Tech Code TV. Today, we're delving into the realm of amazing inventions that have reached a new level. From groundbreaking technologies to revolutionary breakthroughs, these inventions are reshaping our world in remarkable ways. Join us as we uncover the latest advancements that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply curious about the future, these inventions are sure to astound and inspire. Revolutionize your ride with the Verge Mika Hakkinen Signature Edition electric bike. Picture this. You're on the verge of building your dream electric bike, and who better to turn to for guidance than Verge Motorcycles? With the expertise of Mika Hakkinen, two-time Formula One champion and esteemed member of their advisory board, this bike is more than just a machine, it's a masterpiece. Crafted by top engineers, this limited edition bike boasts unparalleled power with a staggering 1,000 Nm of torque. From 0 to 100 km per hour in a mere 3.5 seconds, it's a thrill seeker's dream. But the excitement does not stop there. With a top speed of around 200 km per hour and a range of 350 kilometers on a single charge, this bike is ready to take you on unforgettable journeys. Only 100 of these exclusive bikes will be produced, each bearing the prestigious PL Black with Mika Hakkinen's autograph. Get ready to experience the pinnacle of electric biking starting at $87,400. Dive into the world of sustainable water solutions with Oneka Technologies. Imagine a plant that works tirelessly, desalting a whopping 53,000 liters of water daily. But that's not all. With news of a version 10 times more powerful on the horizon, fueled by wave and solar energy, the possibilities are endless. This innovative plant doesn't just clean water, it moves it to shore using cutting-edge pipes made from recycled materials, including plastic bottles. With a lifespan of about 20 years, it's a testament to sustainability in action. And in a world where water shortages are becoming increasingly prevalent, Oneka's technology could not be more timely. Get ready to join the movement towards a greener, more water-secure future. Embark on an extraordinary journey with space perspectives, stratospheric flight exploration. Picture this. Soaring to an altitude of around 30 kilometers in a luxurious capsule, you'll experience the breathtaking views from the Earth's atmosphere's edge. Equipped with panoramic windows, a bar, and even a restroom, this capsule offers unparalleled comfort akin to the comfort of home. Plus, with internet connectivity on board, you can capture and share high-altitude photos mid-flight. With the entire journey lasting approximately 6 hours, including 2 hours spent in the stratosphere, this experience promises to be nothing short of unforgettable. Be among the first to venture into the skies on a manned flight, with tickets expected to be priced at $125,000. Step into the world of virtual reality like never before with EKTO VR's revolutionary new shoes. These shoes aren't just for walking, they're designed to enhance your VR experience while preventing disorientation, collisions, and motion sickness. How do they do it? With wheels built into the soles, allowing you to move seamlessly in the virtual world while remaining anchored in reality. Ready to take your VR adventures to the next level? Keep an eye out for updates and be sure to fill out an application to get your hands on a pair of these game-changing shoes. Gear up for immersive virtual experiences with MANUS Prime 3 Haptic XR gloves. Designed to let you interact with virtual objects like never before, these gloves offer enhanced haptic connectivity and unparalleled customization. In just 45 seconds, you can tailor the gloves to your specifications, ensuring a perfect fit every time. And with a battery life of 5 hours on a single charge, you can dive into VR worlds for extended periods without interruption. No wonder Tesla chose these gloves to train its robots. Ready to elevate your VR adventures? Grab a pair of MANUS Prime 3 Haptic XR gloves for around $4,450 and prepare to be amazed. As per UN predictions, by 2050, approximately 1/3 of the global population will reside in rural areas. While rural life offers tranquility in space, transportation remains a significant challenge. Enter the MONOCAB project, which proposes a novel solution to this dilemma. Imagine summoning transportation capsules akin to hailing a cab through an app. These capsules, designed for both passengers and cargo, aim to revolutionize rural transportation. Currently undergoing testing in Germany and backed by an EU program, the standard passenger model accommodates up to 6 individuals. In a groundbreaking move, the first fully autonomous restaurant with artificial intelligence debuted in the United States by the end of 2023. This innovative establishment, offering classic fast food fare like burgers and fries, promises an unparalleled dining experience. Utilizing advanced technology, including meat grinding post-order placement and biometric payment systems, CaliExpress by Flippy ensures a seamless culinary journey. Positioned adjacent to a conventional restaurant, it combines cutting-edge efficiency with human oversight for optimal performance and customer satisfaction. Meet eSight, a remarkable pair of glasses designed to address severe vision impairments, offering a lifeline to individuals with vision challenges, including those with newborn-level vision. eSight operates through a sophisticated system. A high-speed camera captures the surroundings, while specialized algorithms tailor the visual feed to the user's specific needs. With features like 14x magnification and OLED screens, eSight 4 enhances everyday activities such as reading and watching TV. Priced at approximately $8,800, it represents a transformative solution for those with visual disabilities. Since 2019, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency and Toyota Corporation have collaborated on the Lunar Cruiser project, aiming to conquer the lunar terrain. Facing extreme conditions like frigid temperatures plummeting to -100 degrees centigrade, low gravity, vacuum, and radiation, the Lunar Cruiser presents formidable challenges. Nevertheless, Japanese engineers persevere, unveiling a two-seat prototype as a testament to their ambition. With plans for a mobile lunar habitat to support hydrogen fuel production by 2035, the Lunar Cruiser project embodies Japan's pioneering spirit in space exploration. Introducing Air One, an innovative electric aircraft designed with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, tailored specifically for the U.S. Air Force. This cutting-edge aircraft boasts impressive features, including a 1-hour flight time on a single charge and a payload capacity of 250 kilograms. With a top speed of up to 250 km per hour, Air One is primed for various logistical tasks, garnering interest not only from military entities, but also from private customers. With approximately 800 pre-orders already secured, Air One showcases its prowess by effortlessly completing a journey from Canadian Victoria to Vancouver in just 41 minutes. Say goodbye to soaring electricity bills with the Sunflower Home Heliostat. This revolutionary system offers a simple yet effective solution to illuminate spaces by harnessing sunlight. By redirecting sunlight to rooms as needed, the Sunflower system eliminates the need for multiple light bulbs, potentially replacing up to 60 bulbs at 60 watts each. Beyond lighting up spaces, Sunflower also aims to reduce eye fatigue and headaches associated with artificial daylight bulbs, promising a more comfortable and energy-efficient lighting solution for homes. As we wrap up our exploration of amazing inventions, it's clear that we're living in an era of unprecedented innovation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the excitement about these remarkable discoveries. Stay tuned to TechCode TV for more thrilling updates on the latest advancements in technology and beyond.